What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. It's been a minute since I dropped a long form video. I've just been really busy, and the next month or so is going to be really busy as well, but I do have a pretty cool video coming out, and I do have some other videos in mind, so keep an eye out for that. So as you can see, the title of the video states I lost $5,000 trading. So I wanted to do a challenge with myself. I already have a few 150K funded accounts, but I wanted to just spice things up a little, so I went ahead and purchased 5 50K Top Step accounts, and I figured, you know what, if I pass them, I'll just have a few backup accounts, so if I lose 150K or something, I could just go to one of those 50K accounts. I went ahead and placed a trade on them today, and by the title of the video, you can see we ended up taking a loss. I lost $1,000 on each account. I want to say it was actually more like $1,028 I lost on each account, so it came out to a total loss of a little over $5,000. Now, if you don't know, the daily drawdown limit on a 50K Top Step account is $1,000. That's the max you're able to lose in a day, and then the max you're able to lose on the account in general is $2,000, and I went ahead and hit the daily loss limit on all 5 accounts. Now, I'm not worried about this at all because, like I said, I have funded 150K accounts. I kind of just did this as a fun challenge, and 5 50K accounts is only $250. So honestly, even if I blow it this time, I'm still going to go ahead and probably purchase 5 more just to have kind of a fun challenge with myself, and I'll have some backup accounts. Now, we have a little less than $1,000 on each account since the fees made it a little over $1,000. So we have like $900 something dollars. Hopefully tomorrow I can come into the markets and catch a super solid trade. Now, I don't know if I'm going to just risk the same amount again, or if I'm going to limit the risk and risk a little less to see if we can kind of make it up. I don't really worry about these challenge accounts too much since I already have a few funded accounts. I'm more just kind of doing it as like a fun little thing. So I don't know what we're going to do, but you guys will see probably in another video or on my Instagram story how we did on the accounts. So since I lost today, I really just wanted to talk about a few things that comes with the losses when it comes to trading. And in order to become a profitable day trader, you're going to have your psychology in check 100%. You need to know who you are, what you're good at, and what you're not good at. And it took me a while to learn my psychology, master, and stuff like that. And honestly, sometimes my psychology is a little whack. It depends if I have a lot of stuff on my mind and stuff. But for the most part, my psychology is pretty good. On any of my funded or personal accounts, I don't over leverage, I don't over trade. So psychology is something you're definitely going to have to master. So another thing that's going to be super important for the traders that are in their break-even stage, or if they're just still straight up losing, you need to have a good trading plan. If you don't have a plan already, then you need to make one right now before you place a single trade. Grab your whiteboard, grab a piece of paper, grab your phone, something, and write down a strict plan. Now, a few examples for my plan is I don't take no more than 2 trades in a single day. 90% of the time, I'm only taking 1 trade in a day. So win or loss, that is it for the day. If I win the trade, I don't want to give any of the money back. And if I lose, I don't even want to risk losing anymore. So that's why normally I only take 1 trade in a day, but I do give myself the leverage of 2. Go ahead and figure out a time that you want to trade at. So for me, I'll really do between 8:30 and 11 o'clock. That's the only window that I'm really looking to be in a trade. So go ahead and figure out what your favorite time or what the most available time you have is, and make that your only slot that you can be in a trade. Less is more, and a lot of people don't realize that. The less amount of time you're in the market, the more you can make. You could be giving a lot of their money back each and every day, while someone like me, or just, you know, a lot of other people, they could be in the market, let's say 9:30 to 11 o'clock, take 1 or 2 good trades, and that's it, and now they have the rest of their day to do whatever they want. To have that trading plan, like I just mentioned, and put it either in front of your desk or wherever you're trading at, make sure you could see it every single morning as a reminder so you know what not to do. I know a big issue that a lot of you beginner traders have is whenever you guys take a loss, you guys revenge trade like crazy to try to end the day green. You guys normally just end up losing way more money than you should have. I know that from experience because I was there at one point. I was that trader that would revenge trade, over trade. I seen with the long-term results that I was just losing more compared to if I would have just placed 1 or 2 trades in a day, and that would have been it. Other thing you guys should do if you're still in that losing or break-even stage when it comes to your trading journey, go ahead, get a journal, go to Walmart, buy one, or just do it on your phone, or now they even have apps and platforms. Start journaling every single trade you take day in, day out. See how you were feeling that day. And I promise you guys, long term, with all that data you guys are collecting on a day-to-day basis with your winners, losers, break-evens, you know, no trade days, how you're feeling that day, red folder news days. That's just a few data points you're going to get just from journaling. And in 1, 2, 3 months, you're going to be able to look back on that, see what your best days are, your worst days are, what days you normally don't trade, how you do on red folder news days, all those type of things. You know, if you place 3 trades in a day, are you losing way more than compared to if you only placed 1 trade in a day? That is all valuable information that could definitely benefit your trading journey. I truly believe if I would have started journaling a lot earlier, I would have realized a lot of the mistakes I was making faster. I could have fixed them and I would have been profitable a lot sooner. So I definitely think you guys should start journaling for sure. And I know this one gets a little bit of hate, but getting a mentor could benefit you a lot quicker. I know a lot of people hate on the guys that sell courses or they're just, you know, live trading, this and that. A lot of people hate on it, but it's 2025 and that's the new wave. A lot of people get their information online. And if you can learn from someone that's offering valuable knowledge, then it's totally worth going that route. So don't hate on all the people that are selling courses or they're selling a Discord, a Telegram, any of that. A lot of them are doing their own thing and they have some valuable knowledge. And then you got some people, they could be scammers. But just make sure you know what you're doing, you know what you're looking for, and just be smart about it. Try to figure out who's just wanting to grab your money and who's actually there to teach you. But getting the right mentor where you can have one-on-ones with, or you could just see how they live trade every single day, that could definitely boost you in certain categories. If you're watching that person live trade every single day, you get to see how they're handling their psychology, so you can see how they're monitoring their trades. Are they taking 1 or 2 trades? This and that. You can see exactly how they trade and how they're profitable if they are a profitable trader. And if you just want to do a one-on-one, you can go ahead and ask them questions. You can see how they can teach you on a slower pace level, maybe just with you. Some people learn better just on one-on-ones rather than a group thing, but that's something to definitely find out about yourself. That mentor might possibly make it click just a little easier for you. That's why it's definitely good having a mentor. Some of the richest people in the world, some of the best business owners, they had a mentor. They had someone train them a little bit and help them out along the way. So don't ever feel ashamed if you have to get a mentor, or don't let anyone tell you, oh, that guy's selling a Discord or a Telegram or anything, he's a scammer. Not necessarily. A lot of people call other traders scammers because they tried it out for 1 week, lost a bunch of money, and now they think it's a scam because they didn't know what they were doing. Now, another thing, if you keep buying challenges and you just keep failing, and you've spent thousands of dollars on challenges, you need to stop buying challenges and you need to stop giving your money to these prop firms. The best and smartest thing you could do is get profitable paper trading, and then once you have proven yourself that your strategy works, your psychology is good, then you can move from that paper trading all the way to a prop firm challenge account. Now I'm going to tell you guys something. Your psychology might be on point when you're paper trading or, you know, on your challenge account, but whenever real money gets involved, you're going to have to level up in a totally different way. You think, oh man, my psychology is on point. I've done this for a few months on my paper account. Once it's real money, man, I'm telling you guys, it's going to switch a little bit. You're going to have to be stronger. If you see that you went red $300, $400, $500 on the day and you'd lost real money, or you lost money that could have been real, it's definitely going to bother you a little bit, and you're going to have to fight the urge to not revenge trade or over trade or anything. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up there, but definitely start on the paper trading accounts if you're losing a bunch of money with the prop firms, because if you're losing a bunch of money on the prop firms, you are just blowing money. What you need to do is go ahead, paper trade that account, put that money you were to spend on your prop firms into like a savings account or something. So by the time you are ready, you can maybe buy some prop firms, or you can even have your own personal account and risk a little less. So definitely try that for sure. But don't blow thousands of dollars on these challenge accounts when you can't even pass one. Go back to the paper trading for a little bit. But all right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I just wanted to tell you guys about that loss from today. Keep it 100% transparent with you guys. And then I just wanted to go over some of the things that could help your trading journey. And if you are still that losing trader or that break-even trader. But if you guys like the video, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.